Hey, what's up everybody, Moneymaker here? Let's talk about building wealth because today we're diving into the exciting world of candlestick patterns and how they can seriously up your trading game. These patterns are like roadmaps for the market, giving you valuable clues about where things might be headed. Now we all know the market can feel like a roller coaster sometimes, right? Up, down, sideways. It's enough to make your head spin. But the thing is, with the right knowledge, you can learn to read the market signals and make smarter trading decisions. That's where candlestick patterns come in. In this video, I'm going to break down 6 powerful bullish candlestick patterns that every trader should know. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, understanding these patterns can give you an edge in the market. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get into it. Alright traders, let's kick things off with the hammer pattern. Imagine this. You're looking at a chart, and the market's been in a downtrend, kind of like that feeling when you order takeout, and then realize you left your coupon code in your other wallet. But wait, what's this? A little glimmer of hope appears, a single candlestick with a short body and a long lower shadow. That, my friends, is the hammer. It's telling you that even though the sellers tried to push the price down, the buyers stepped in and drove it back up. Think of it like this: the longer that lower shadow, the harder the buyers fought back. It's like they were saying, nope, not today, bears, we're not letting you take control. Now, the hammer doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it's a strong signal that the bulls might be ready to take charge, and that's where things get exciting. If you see a hammer forming after a downtrend, keep your eyes peeled for confirmation. Look for the next candle to be green, indicating a potential upward reversal. This is where you might consider jumping in and riding that potential upswing. Remember, trading is about managing risk, so always have a plan and use stop-loss orders to protect your profits. But when you see that hammer, it's a sign that things could be turning around. So, stay alert, be prepared, and you just might catch that next big move. Now let's flip the script and talk about the inverted hammer. This pattern is like the cool older sibling of the hammer with a twist. Instead of a long lower shadow, it's got a long upper shadow. Picture this. The market's been in a downtrend and then bam! You see a candlestick with a small body at the bottom and a long wick reaching up like it's trying to touch the sky. That's the inverted hammer, signaling a potential bullish reversal. Think of it like this. The sellers tried to push the price down, but the buyers were like, hold on a second, we're not done yet. And they drove the price back up before the close. That long upper shadow? That's the evidence of their struggle. Now, just like with the hammer, the inverted hammer doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it's a strong indication that the bulls are flexing their muscles. It's like they're testing the waters, seeing if they have enough strength to turn the tide. If you see an inverted hammer, pay close attention to the next few candles. If they start pushing higher and confirm the reversal, it could be a great opportunity to hop on board and potentially ride the wave up. Remember, trading is all about spotting opportunities and managing risk. So, keep your eyes open for those inverted hammers, and you might just unlock some serious potential in the market. Alright everyone, let's talk about a pattern that's as powerful as its name suggests. The bullish engulfing pattern. This one's a real show of strength, a sign that the bulls are ready to take charge. Here's the setup. You're looking at a chart, and the market's been in a downtrend, maybe even sideways for a bit. Suddenly a small bearish candle appears, like a last gasp of the sellers. But then, boom! A massive bullish candle comes along and completely engulfs the previous bearish candle. It's like the bulls just said, game over, we're in control now. Think of it like this. That bullish candle is like a giant wave crashing down on a little sandcastle. It's a clear sign that the buyers have overpowered the sellers and are driving the price upward. The larger that bullish candle, the stronger the signal. Now, the bullish engulfing pattern is most effective when it appears after a period of consolidation or a downtrend. It's like the calm before the storm, and then boom! The bulls unleash their fury. If you see a bullish engulfing pattern, it's a good time to pay attention. The next few candles will tell you if the bulls are serious about this rally. If they keep pushing higher, it could be a great opportunity to join the party and potentially ride the wave up. Let's talk about a pattern that's all about hope and the promise of brighter days ahead. The piercing pattern. This one's like a beacon of light in the darkness, signaling a potential reversal from a downtrend. Here's the deal. Imagine you're looking at a chart, and the market's been stuck in a downtrend. Kind of like that feeling when you're stuck in traffic and you're already late. But then, something interesting happens. A bearish candle appears, followed by a bullish candle that closes above the midpoint of the previous bearish candle. That, my friends, is the piercing pattern. Think of it like this. The bears are trying to maintain their grip on the market, but the bulls are starting to push back. That bullish candle piercing through the darkness of the previous bearish candle is a sign that the buyers are gaining strength. Now, the piercing pattern is most effective when it appears after a sharp downtrend. It's like the market's been holding its breath and then finally it can exhale and start to recover. If you see a piercing pattern, it's a good time to take notice. It doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it's a strong indication that the bulls are trying to stage a comeback. Keep an eye on the next few candles. If they confirm the reversal and continue pushing higher, it could be a great opportunity to jump on board and potentially profit from the upward momentum. Alright traders, let's talk about a pattern that's as beautiful as its name suggests, the morning star. This three-candle pattern is like a beacon of hope, signaling a potential reversal from a downtrend and the start of something new. Here's how it works. Imagine you're looking at a chart and the market's been in a downtrend, kind of like that feeling when you realize you just ate the last slice of pizza. But wait, what's this? A glimmer of hope appears. The first candle is a bearish candle, showing the continuation of the downtrend. The second candle is a small-bodied candle, either bullish or bearish, indicating indecision in the market. And then, the magic happens. The third candle is a strong, bullish candle, closing well above the midpoint of the first candle. Think of it like this. The first candle is the darkness before the dawn. The second candle is the first hint of light peeking over the horizon. And the third candle is the sun rising in all its glory, signaling a new day and a potential trend reversal. The morning star pattern is most effective when it appears after a prolonged downtrend or a period of consolidation. It's like the market's been searching for direction, and finally, it's found its way. If you see a morning star pattern, it's a good time to pay attention. It's not a guarantee of a reversal, but it's a strong indication that the bulls are starting to take control. Keep an eye on the next few candles. If they confirm the reversal and continue pushing higher, it could be a great opportunity to join the rally and potentially profit from the upward momentum. Let's talk about a pattern that screams bullish momentum, the three white soldiers. This one's like a battalion of buyers marching confidently into the market, driving the price upward. Here's the formation. You're looking at a chart, and after a downtrend or a period of consolidation, you see three consecutive bullish candles. But these aren't just any bullish candles, they have to meet specific criteria. First, each candle should open within the body of the previous candle, showing that the buyers are eager to jump in. Second, each candle should close near its high, indicating strong buying pressure. And finally, each candle should have a higher high and a higher low than the previous candle, confirming the upward momentum. Think of it like this. The first candle is like the vanguard, testing the waters and making sure the coast is clear. The second candle is like the reinforcements, joining the fight and pushing the price even higher. And the third candle is like the victory march, solidifying the bullish trend and leaving no doubt about who's in control. The three white soldiers pattern is most effective when it appears after a period of consolidation or a downtrend. It's like the market's been gathering its strength, and now it's ready to charge ahead. If you see this pattern, it's a good time to pay attention. It doesn't guarantee a prolonged uptrend, but it's a strong indication that the bulls are in a dominant position. Keep an eye on the next few candles to see if the momentum continues. If it does, it could be a great opportunity to ride the wave up and potentially achieve some impressive gains. There you have it, Moneymaker fam. 6 powerful bullish candlestick patterns that can seriously up your trading game. Remember, these patterns are like clues giving you a sneak peek into the market's mind. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, this is awesome. But how do I actually use these patterns to make money? Well, that's where the real magic happens. Learning to identify these patterns is just the first step. The next step is to combine this knowledge with other technical indicators, your own analysis, and of course, a solid risk management strategy. And remember, trading is a journey, not a sprint. So, keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop seeking knowledge. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. Until next time, happy trading! And there you have it, traders. Master these bullish candlestick patterns to enhance your trading strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips and insights. Happy trading!